Dear family and friends, John and Taylor have chosen you, those special and important to them, to witness and celebrate the beginning of their new life together. Today, as we create this family, we create a new bond and a new sense of family.
We were all so sad to see her move and feared she'd fall in love with a guy from Nashville and would never move home again. Instead, God brought us John, not a Nashville native, but a Southern gentleman from Louisiana, who I knew in the moment I met him would do anything to make Taylor happy. I always knew it would take a specially kind, gentle, and patient human being to fall in love with Tay. I just couldn't fathom someone as wonderful as John.
John, you and Taylor met exactly 5 years ago today. Your meeting, your friendship, your love, your marriage is not an accident. God has had this plan since before the two of you were born. And now you are living out that plan.
You like my dress?
Yeah, on my room.
Look at that.
That's awesome. Very awesome.
I'm humming like a revved up truck. Never mind the odds, I'm gonna try my luck. Just tell me when you've had enough. I'm dangerous, 'cause I'm a fool for love. You know you don't hit half bad, but I'm gonna lay you to ground tonight. Just wait until I catch my breath. I'll send you on to an early day.
I, John, take you, Taylor, to be my wife.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
For better or for worse.
For better or for worse.
For richer or for poorer.
For richer or for poorer.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
For as long as we both shall live.
For as long as we both shall live. There's a rainbow.
Oh, there's a rainbow.
Oh, wow. Isn't
Sorry.
that? That's not in the ceremony, by the way. Some things can't be planned.
I lie in the drifting snow, bleeding out as it covers me up. The spring comes before I'm found, just throw my bones in a hole in the ground. I lost friends along my way, I knew I'd meet them eventually. No, I'm not afraid to die, just mad I left Big Jim alive.
To Taylor and John, love is what makes us real. And there is no greater way to live life than being your true selves, independently and together forever. So congratulations, I love you both. Raise a glass to the Benzabats at last.